Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about animals. Yes, we will discuss about animals. As you know, animals are found everywhere. They are found everywhere on the land, in the oceans, in the soil. Everywhere we can see the animals, birds, insects, reptiles, mammals, fishes like this. So, yeah, these animals are adapted. They have some special features which helps them to live into their habitat. So, first of all, we will discuss what is habitat. Habitat means the place where an animals live naturally, or you can say where any living organism lives naturally. For example, the habitat of a fish is water. Yes, the habitat of a camel is desert. Means the place where they lives naturally, where they will get the food and all the basic necessities. That is their habitat. Now the question is there कि in such an adverse conditions how do they survive? So as you know कि these animals, those animals which have some special features according to their habitat, means they are adjusted according to their habitat, they are only able to survive. For example, dinosaurs, now they are not on the earth. Maybe they not adapted according to their environment. So adaptation means special features which help any living organisms to live into their habitat. So habitat means the home of a animal, the home of an animal, and the adaptation means special features that help any living organisms to live in its habitat naturally. For example, if we will talking about fish, fish have some adaptive features. Yes, for example, gills. Fish have gills which help them to breathe. Fish have fins and tails which help them to change direction while swimming. So, when we talking about the adaptive feature, the first adaptive features is based on the food habit of animals. As you know, on the basis of food habits, animals are divided into 5 categories. Yes, animals are divided into 5 categories. First is your herbivores. Second is your carnivores. Next is your omnivores. Next one, scavengers. And last one, parasites. So these are the 5 category of animals on the basis of their food habit. So let us try to find out how they are adjusted according to their food habit. So as you know, herbivores are those animals which eats only plants and plants product. Yes, which eats only plants and plants products. For example, your goat, cow, a horse, these are the herbivores. So for these they have a sharp front teeth, so that they can tear, so that they can just chew, or they can eat the vegetable, eat the products, plant products. Okay, and their back teeth are very broad, and so that they can easily chew the plant product. Now carnivores are those animals which depend on flesh, which eat only flesh, which eat only the flesh of other animals like your lion and tiger. So to tear the flesh, they have the sharp canines, they have the sharp front canines which help them to tear the flesh. So these are the adaptive features कि herbivores, they have the sharp teeth in front so that they can easily just bite the plant products, and carnivores have the sharp canines in front so that they can easily tear the flesh. Now omnivores which eat both plants as well as animals. So at the front they have the sharp teeth, and at the end of their mouth they have the broad teeth to chew the food, because in omnivores there is a process of chewing of the food, and after that the food is digested. Now if we will talking about scavengers. Scavengers are those animals which depend on the you can say dead animals, which depend on the decaying animals, decaying matter. So these are the environment cleaner, and for this they have the sharp front teeth so that they can easily tear the flesh of the animals. And parasites are those animals which depend on the other living organisms, like the lice are there, tapeworms, and your you can say red they are the parasites because they take their food from the living organism. So on the basis of food habits we can categorize the animals into 5 categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites, and scavengers. And for this, different animals have different adaptive features.